Hey there, we're going to fill in our notes on carbohydrates. So the first thing we need to do is write down 3 examples of carbohydrates. This could be anything like table sugar, potatoes. I could even say bread or pasta, rice. All of those are carbohydrates. All carbohydrates will end in "-ose. So if you see the suffix "-ose, you know that you are talking about a sugar, which is a carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are a type of organic molecule. They are one of 4 organic molecules. So you have carbs, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. The name of most carbohydrates end in "-ose. So for example, fructose, glucose, lactose, and I'm sure you can think of a couple others. We need carbohydrates for a couple reasons. The first one is for short-term energy storage. And the way that plants and animals store these carbohydrates for energy is a little different. In plants, it is stored as starch, and in animals, it's stored as glycogen. Plants can then use this stored carbohydrate to make their cell wall, and we call that sugar cellulose. And that's kind of easy to remember. Cell wall, cellulose, so kind of goes together. The building block of carbohydrates are called monosaccharides. They are monosaccharides. They look like a stop sign, or maybe like a ring. So if I were to draw it, I would something like that. That's a carbohydrate. Sorry, my drawings are not perfect. Plants are able to make carbohydrates. Glucose, right, which is sugar, is the food of plants. The process in which plants make this sugar is called photosynthesis. And this is our equation for photosynthesis right here. So on the left-hand side, we have the ingredients, or what are called your reactants. So this is going to be your carbon dioxide, right, CO2, water, H2O, and then of course just sunlight. Over on the right-hand side are the products, or what's being made in the chemical reaction. We have 2 products here, glucose and oxygen. We need to know where photosynthesis occurs. So where in the plant does photosynthesis happen? It occurs in the leaves of the plant, right? The leaves are green, so we know that's where photosynthesis happens. Within the cells of those leaves, specifically, photosynthesis will occur in the chloroplast. So, big leaves and lots of chloroplasts will help a plant to more efficiently perform photosynthesis. And again, photosynthesis, we're making glucose sugar for plants as an energy source. So now that I'm finished with my notes, I'm going to make sure to cut these out and glue them into my notebook. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know.